Good morning, this is Carl Mullen from Rapid Home Deals, and today we are answering once again questions from sellers just like you. All right, the question today is, can I sell my house as is? And the answer is definitely yes, you can. There is one caveat though, if you are selling a house as is. You must fill out a seller's disclosure. All right, what this basically is saying is that if you know of any kind of defects in the house whatsoever, that you should disclose them when you are selling the property. If you do not disclose them when you are selling the property and a buyer comes in and finds out there is something significantly wrong with the house that you should have known about, then they can come back and sue you for the repairs. All right, so that's just one caveat, but the answer to the question is yes, you can sell your house as is. Just make sure that you fill out a seller's disclosure when you do. All right, if you know somebody's looking to sell their house, have them call Rapid Home Deals at 352-480-0955 or go to our website, www.rapidhomedeals.com. Rapid Home Deals, we buy houses cash.